In this video,
We will learn how to get more FPS in Fortnite.
in Fortnite, the key to getting high FPS is using the performance mode from the rendering mode. In order to do that, all you need to do is press escape, which will take you to the main menu. From here, you need to click on the gear button to go into the settings tab. After clicking on the gear button, it will take you directly to the video tab. From here, you can choose all the necessary things required to get the highest amount of FPS needed. So firstly, your window mode should be full screen, resolution can be your native, VSync has to be off, and most importantly, your frame rate limit has to be unlimited in order to achieve the highest FPS. And also your rendering mode should be performance, which is the lower graphical fidelity, which takes the load of your CPU and GPU and makes the game quite lightweight. After that, you need to scroll down until you find the graphics quality tab. In here, you will find that the view distance setting, which should be par because it lets you see enemies from quite a far distance. Texture should be low, and the 3D resolution can be 100% and lower depending on your FPS needs. If you need the maximum amount of performance, you can set it to something like 50 or less. So for this video, I'll just set it to 50. And these are the settings you need to change. After changing these settings, all you need to do is click on apply and get back to the game. Now, as you can see, I am achieving quite a lot of FPS. So I am currently achieving nearly 500 FPS, which has been the results of my setting changes. So you can easily get high FPS by using these settings and changing them to the required settings in Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.